How to tell if your plants need more or less water. Have you ever looked at your plants and wondered if they are getting the right amount of water? It can be tricky to tell. Both too little and too much water can cause issues for your green friends. Let's break down how to figure out what your plants need. First, let's talk about the signs that indicate your plants are thirsty. If you notice dry, cracked soil at least 1 inch below the surface, that is a clear signal. Wilting leaves that do not perk up even after cooler evening temperatures can also mean your plant needs a drink. Stunted growth, smaller leaves, and fewer flowers or fruits are other signs of underwatering. You might also see brown tips on the leaves, or they may curl inward. Premature leaf drop is another indicator that your plant is conserving energy due to insufficient water. Now, what about the opposite problem? Overwatering can also be a concern. If you see yellowing leaves, especially on younger ones, that could mean your plant is getting too much water. Overwatered plants often have soft, mushy leaves because their roots are rotting and unable to absorb water properly. Excess moisture can lead to blisters or lesions on leaves and may even promote mold or algae growth on the soil surface. If the soil feels cool and constantly moist, it's likely your plant is overwatered. A practical way to check is to feel the soil with your finger about 2 inches deep. If it feels dry and crumbly, your plant likely needs water. If it is moist or cool, it is best to hold off on watering. When you do water, make sure to do it thoroughly so the soil is saturated. After watering, allow the soil to dry out before watering again. This cycle helps prevent root rot and supports healthy growth. To sum it up, dry soil and wilting leaves indicate that your plant needs more water. On the other hand, yellowing leaves and soft wilting point to overwatering. By observing these signs, you can help your plants thrive in their environment.